Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Srimati Alka Narayan Patekar from Mahatma Phule Vidyalaya Lavle, Taluka Mulshi, District Pune. Today we are going to continue study of Mathematics Standard 8, Chapter 3, Indices and Cube Root, Part 5. In previous video we saw cube root of the numbers. Now today we are going to continue study of practice set 3.3. Question number 1. Find the cube root of the following numbers. Example 3. 343. We can find the cube root of the given number by factorization. So first we factorize the given number. If we observe the number 343 at unit place, the number is 3. So it is a odd number. So 343 is not divisible by 2. If we find the factor of 343, the factors are 7 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7 into 7 is nothing but the 7 cube. So 343 is the cube of 7. We have to find the cube root. So the cube root of 343 is equal to, in index form, 7 raised to 3 raised to 1 upon 3. Here 3 into 1 upon 3, 3 get cancelled, the answer will be 7. So cube root of 343 is 7. Answer is cube root of 343 is 7. Example 4, minus 512. We first find the factor of 512. If we observe the number 512 at unit place, there is a even number 2. So it is divisible by 2. 2 will comes 3 times. So it is divisible by 8. If we divide 512 by 8, the quotient will be 64. Then 64 is also divisible by 8. Then the factors are 8 into 8 into 8. We write these factors in index form, that is 8 cube. Means 8 is the cube root of 512. We have to find the cube root of minus 512. So answer is cube root of minus 512 is equal to minus 8. Example 5, minus 2744. If we observe the given number, this given number 2744 is a even number, therefore it is divisible by 2. But if it is perfect cube, 2 will come 3 times. So the factors of 2744 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. If we write this factor in index form, that is 2 into 2 into 2 is nothing but 2 cube, and 7 into 7 into 7 is nothing but 7 cube, is equal to 2 cube into 7 cube. Here 2 and 7 are the different bases. We write this by using a rule of indices. 2 into 7 raised to 3. 2 into 7 is 14 cube. 2744 is the cube of 14. We have to find the cube root. Here minus 2744 is the cube of minus 14. Answer is cube root of 2744 is equal to minus 14. Example 6. The number given is 32,768. This number is larger. If the given number is larger, then observe the number. Given number is a even number, therefore it is divisible by 2. But if it is perfect cube, 2 will comes 3 times. So dividing by 8 solution. If we divide 32,768 by 8, the quotient will be 4096. 4096 is also divisible by 8. If we divide this number by 8, is equal to 8 into 8 into 512. This is the quotient. 512 is also divisible by 8. Therefore, 8 into 8 into 8 into 64. 64 is the square of 8. So the factors are 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. 8 cube into remaining two factors are 8 square. Here base are same. If the base are same, then by the rule of indices, the answer is 8 raised to 3 plus 2 is 5. Here base is same and index are different. If the bases are same and index are different, and if there is a multiplication, then there will be the addition of index. Therefore, 8 raised to 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 is the cube of 2. So we can write this 2 raised to cube raised to 5 is equal to 2 raised to 5 raised to cube. Here by the rule of indices, a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. If we write this in this way, 3 into 5 is 15 and 5 into 3 also 15. Meaning is same. We have to find the cube root. So we can write here 2 raised to 5 is nothing but 32 cube. So the answer is cube root of 32,768 is equal to 32. Question number 2. Simplify. Cube root of 27 upon 125. We know 27 is the cube of which number? Correct. 27 is the cube of 3. And 125 is the cube of which number? Think. Yes, 125 is the cube of 5. Here by the rule of indices, we can write a cube root sign separately. A upon b raised to m is equal to a raised to m upon b raised to m. Here cube root of 27 upon cube root of 125. We write 27 is the cube of 3 and 125 is the cube of 5. By rule of indices, a raised to m raised to 1 upon m is equal to a. So answer is cube root of 27 upon 125 is equal to 3 upon 5. Example 2. Cube root of 16 upon 54. If we observe this number, 16 and 54 are not a perfect cube. But if we observe these two numbers are the even number. So it is divisible by 2. If we divide this number 16 by 2, the answer will comes 8. That is 2 8s are 16. And if we divide 54 by 2, that is 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. The number will be cube root of 8 upon 27. We know 8 and 27 are the perfect cube. We know 8 is the cube of 2 and 27 is the cube of 3. We write this in index form is equal to cube root of 8 upon cube root of 27. In index form, 8 is the cube of 2. So we write this in index form, that is 2 raised to cube and 3 raised to cube. Here we use the rule of indices. A raised to m raised to 1 upon m is equal to. So answer is 2 upon 3. Example 3. Cube root of 0.000729. Here number is given in decimal form. First we count the digits after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are the 6 digits after decimal. We can write this number in fraction form. First write the number at the numerator 729 and at the denominator here is a 6 digits after decimal. So we write here a 6 zeros after 1. So this is the fraction form of the cube root. We know 729, which is the cube root of 729. Here first we write the cube root sign separately. That is cube root of 729 upon cube root of 10 lakh. We know 729 is the cube of 9 and 10 lakh is the cube of 100. So we can write this in index form, that is cube root of 9 cube upon cube root of 100 cube. By using rule of indices, a raised to m raised to 1 upon m is equal to a is equal to, answer is 9 upon 100. Cube root of 0.000729 is equal to 0.09. Here in this fraction, 9 upon 100, after 1 here are the two zeros, so we count the two digits from right to left, that is 1 2, so the answer is 0.09. If you like this video, then share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.